What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair your Windows 10 or Windows 11 fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do guys, just open your Windows button and type CMD. And you will see here run as administrator. Click this and go yes, and you will see new administrator window. Just type here like me SFC/scannow and hit enter. And you will see message beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Just wait for finish this process. This process repair all your corrupted files on your Windows. When you finish at this process like me, you will see message Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. In your case, you will see message Windows Resource Protection successfully repaired your integrity violation. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button, let me in comments below if this helps you. See you next video guys and bye.